Hello everyone, this is Vardhan Gupta from Drone Tech Noida. As you know, we are the agriculture drone manufacturers and we also the trader of agriculture drone parts. So this video is only for the agriculture drone manufacturers, as now these days there is a very common problem with EFT frames that the cord wire is coming like this. That is a AS150U connector. But all the manufacturers have one problem, that they are deploying 6S batteries, and for 6S batteries they want this type of cord wire. This type of cord wire. So we have the solution for you guys, as we have started the manufacturing of this cord wire in India. So if you want this cord wire for your drone, then you can order from us through our e-commerce website, or you can directly contact through us with the WhatsApp number.